Hey guys, welcome back to UltimaBeauty. Today I'm going to do a little review and tutorial for you of Urban Decay's Wired palette. Was super stoked to see Urban Decay come out with a palette that had a lot of colors in it, although I do like their naked palettes. For me the shades have just been lately too neutral, because I don't always like to wear neutral eyeshadow, as you probably know. So there are 10 shades in this palette. And so these 6 are for face, body, and eyes. So they can go basically anywhere you want. And then these 4 are for face and body. And normally in the past I've used like face products on my eyes, but there's a little asterisk next to these, and on the back it says important. Switch, Savage, Slow Burn, and Gravity. These guys are not for use around the eye. So with that little disclaimer there, I decided I'm not going to try and put these around my eyes because something went wrong or lost my sight or it burned or whatever. I wouldn't have a leg to stand on legally because they put a disclaimer there. So I would suggest not putting any of these on your eyes. These are safe though. These are super beautiful, very pigmented shades. The later one, like Florescent here, needs a little bit of layering to get to the full intensity, but not terribly so. They're very long lasting. I'd say probably I wore them for 10 or 12 hours and I had no creasing. Minimal fallout, if any, which is great, because with the colors, you know, sometimes cleaning them up can be a problem, but I haven't seen any fallout, I don't think at all, with these ones, which is awesome. So far, the face ones that I've used haven't made me break out, but everybody's skin is different, so, you know, theoretically they could make you, even though they don't make me break out. But I like them, they're blendable, they're not too crumbly. I think this is a really, really great palette, and it's been a while since we got a nice, colorful palette from Urban Decay. Now I'm going to do a quick tutorial for you using Urban Decay's Wired palette, and I'm going to try and use mainly Urban Decay products to create the whole face look, but we'll see how that goes. So, without any further ado, let's get started. So, keeping things in the Urban Decay family, I'm going to use Urban Decay's Primer Potion to prime the eyelids. I'm going to use this super pretty, sort of teal, sort of aqua shade, I would say more. Florescent, right there. And we're gonna put that through the crease and blend it up and out. Then we're gonna take a little bit of concealer, or you can use more eyeshadow primer, and sort of trace out the lid, any that we've gone over. Then we're going to take this light magenta sort of lilac-y shade in the color Shock and put that all over the lid. Let's go in with some more of the Florescent shade, the aqua one. Again, keeping things in the Urban Decay family, I'm going to use their 24/7 Glide-On eyeliner in the shade Perversion, and I'm going to put it along the upper lash line. And then I just smudge that along with an angled eyeshadow brush. We're going to take this dark blue shade, Chaos, right there, and run that along the lower lash line. So next up, we're going to take some of the white shade Glitch, right there, and put it on the brow bone. Then I'm going to use some of Urban Decay's Perversion Mascara and put that on the top and bottom lashes. I forgot to hit record again, but I put the white shade Glitch in the inner corners of the eye. Next up, onto the face, and I'm going to do something a little different this time. I usually contour with a light brown shade, as you've seen from the past, but because these shades are also for face and body, I think I'm going to take this sort of violet purple shade Gravity and use that to contour. We'll see what happens. Just gonna leave it at that for a little bit. I might change it to a more wearable color. I'm gonna use the shade Glitch again, the white shade, and highlight with that. I'm going to use Savage, the pink shade here, as a blush. Here we have our finished look with the purple contour, sort of a superhero-y, other galaxy kind of look. I really like it, but it may not be everybody's taste. But for those of us who maybe like the eye color but not the face so much, I'm going to blend this to a regular contour shade. I usually wear a pretty strong contour anyway, so this really isn't that big a change for me. I almost forgot a lip color. This is Urban Decay's Vice Liquid Lipstick in the color Purgatory. That's nice. So here we have our finished Urban Decay Wired palette makeup look. For watching. Check out the blog. I'll do swatches of the entire palette on there. Stay tuned for more. Check out some of the other videos. And I will see you next time. Bye.